Hello students, welcome to this model number 5. Here again we are going to discuss about the problems on ideal gases, problem number 3. So this is the problem like this. So I'll read out the problem. What is that problem? So first problem is a cylinder of volume 1 meter cube is filled with a mixture of 1 kg of CO2 and 2 kg of N2 at 27 degrees centigrade. Determine the pressure of the mixture. Second one is gas constant for the mixture. Third one is mole fraction of N2 and CO2 and molecular weight of the mixture. So in this problem, very limited input data, we are going to find out all these parameters. Okay, so let us once again we'll read out for better understanding and analyze the problem. Okay, so there is a cylinder, okay, that is 1 meter cube of capacity, and it is filled with the mixture of oxygen, 1 kg of oxygen and 2 kg of N2 at a room temperature. You say that is 27 degrees centigrade room temperature. Okay, these are the data is very common. There is a 1 meter cube of cylinder is there. In that there is a mixture of CO2 of 1 kg and 2 kg of N2. So this combination of mixture is kept in the cylinder at a temperature of 27 degrees centigrade. And from this we have to calculate what is the pressure of the mixture inside the cylinder. Second one is what is the gas constant for the mixture. What is the mole fraction of N2 and CO2, and what is the molecular weight of the mixture. All these things we have to find out. Let us step by step we will solve this problem. Okay, so let us we have a look at it. So the given problem is 1 meter cube of mixture is there. Okay, so the CO2 is 1 kg, okay, and N2 is 2 kg. The temperature is 27 degrees centigrade is there, and temperature is 27, but we have to add 273, then it becomes 300 Kelvin. Okay, number of moles is how much? That is, number of moles of the CO2 is how much? Based on the mass divided by molecular weight. Mass is how much? 1 kg is given. What is the molecular weight of the CO2? CO2 is C is 12 and O2 is 32. 12 plus 32 is 44. 1 divided by 44 is 0.0227 kg mole. This is the molecular weight of that mixture, the particular carbon, okay, carbon dioxide. Similarly, for the number of moles for the N2 also you have to find out. So what is the formula? That is Mn2 divided by capital Mn2. What is the mass of the N2 is 2 kg. What is the molecular weight of that? N2 is 28. 14 into 2 is 28. That is 0.0714 kg mole. So next, what we have to calculate? What is the mole fraction? Once if you calculate number of moles, so we have to supposed to calculate mole fraction. Mole fraction is xN2 is equals to nN2 divided by n. Means there is mole fraction is nothing but the number of moles of each constant divided by number of moles of whole mixture, that is 0.0714 divided by that mixture of that both 0.0714 plus 0.227, so you will get around 0.7587. This is the mole fraction. Similarly, for the CO2 also we have to calculate, that is NCO2 divided by N. 0.0227 divided by 0.0714 plus 0.227. If you add up with this, and you will get 0.2412. This is the mole fraction of that particular gas. Okay, so after finding this value, let us have a look at next one is molecular weight of the mixture. So already you know that another format or formula for finding the molecular weight of the mixture. Okay, so once if you know the mole fraction, then you can also you can calculate molecular weight of the mixture. So what is the molecular weight of the each constant? You already know that. So for that you have to multiply with the mole fraction, so of each constant. Suppose I want to calculate molecular weight of that individual N2. If you want to calculate, then xN2 plus into Mn2 means mole fraction into mass molecular weight of that particular constant. If you do, you will get the molecular weight of that particular gas. So but here in this case what we want that mixture of that molecular weight. So this is the formula, that is xN2 into mN2 plus xCO2 into mCO2. Okay, this is the equation. Now we are going to substitute those values. xN2 is how much? 0.7587. The molecular weight of the N2 is 28, that is 14 into 2 is 28, plus xCO2 mole fraction, that is 0.2412 into CO2 molecular weight of CO2 is C is 12, O2 is 32, 32 plus 12 is 44. So substitute all these values in this equation, you may get the molecular weight of this mixture becomes 31.85 kg per kg mole. Okay, you will get this answer, 31.85 kg per kg mole. Okay, once if you find out these values, you must be able to calculate. Once if you find out the value of molecular weight, next one is you can able to find out the gas constant of that mixture. So already you know that the previous problem you have an idea about. So the formula of gas constant is of the mixture is R mixture is equals to R bar divided by M mix. So what is meant by R bar? R bar is a gas constant, that is universal gas constant. For any gas, if you take for NTP, that is okay, STP, the standard temperature and pressure. So this is the value, that is 8.314 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. So this is the values. Okay, so but we have to calculate what is the gas constant of the particular mixture of that gas. So we have to use this formula, R bar divided by M mix, that is 8.314 bar 31.85. So if you divide this value, you may get R mix is equals to 0.2609. So that is kilojoules per kg Kelvin. So R mix is equals to 0.2609 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. So now once if you know the formula value R mix, then you can able to find out the P mix. That means what is the pressure inside the cylinder, that you have to calculate. To calculate pressure inside the cylinder, we must know R, T and volume V. Okay, so this is the basic parameters. But we have an equation, ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to mRT. We know that equation. So in this problem, we have to suppose to calculate pressure. M we know, R also we know here in this problem, M also we know, that is 3 kg. R is we have calculated mixture of that whole 0.2609, okay, and T is 300 degree Kelvin, 300 Kelvin, okay, and the volume is 1 meter cube, that is there. So substitute all this and you will get what we call total partial pressure of the mixture inside the cylinder. So how much it is acting? That is 234.8 kilopascal. 234.8 kilopascal, or we can say there is a 2.348 bar. Okay, please listen carefully. The mixture of the cylinder, inside the cylinder, the pressure is acting how much? That is 2.348 bar or 234.8 kilopascal. So this is the values. So while considering these values, you please imagine, so what will be the gas constant and what will be the temperature. See, from this equation, as volume increases, the pressure decreases, obviously, because pressure is inversely proportional to volume in this case. So as volume go on increasing, suppose instead of 1 meter cube, you can put it as 2 meter cube, again this pressure will be reduced. So as volume increases, the pressure acting on this cylinder is decreases. Okay, this is what the conclusion of this problem. So I hope you understood how the steps are involved to solve this kind of problems. Please take care while solving the problem. I hope you understood of the this problem in a systematic way. Okay. So thanks for watching.